How to add Ethereum to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Ethereum to your CoinMarketCap portfolio easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to your portfolio from here, and this is my portfolio. As you can see, I have only Solana and Bitcoin in my portfolio. And if you want to add new, just click add new asset. Now here is the Ethereum, click on it. If you didn't find it, search here in the search bar and click on it. Now choose the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. For example, I'm gonna choose 1000, for example, dollar. Okay, click add transaction, and as you can see, now I just added Ethereum to my portfolio on crypto market. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.